Good morning, Don. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. You'd expressed some interest in wanting to purchase a new 2020 Toyota CHR LE model. So I wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of one of the LE CHRs we have here in inventory. They do come standard with a nice upgraded touchscreen display. Bluetooth and backup camera do come standard on the vehicle, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. It has all the latest and greatest safety systems, which is all your Toyota Safety Sense, all your lane departure alert, pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, and I'd love to go over all of that with you, show you what they do and how they benefit you as you drive. Also wanted to let you know that all of our vehicles here at Toyota Melbourne do come with a lifetime powertrain warranty. Covers all your engine, transmission, front wheel drive, and rear wheel drive components, and that's complimentary from our dealership. You'll also get factory Toyota floor mats and nitrogen-filled air in your tires with available window tint. So let me know if you have any time to stop in and take a quick look at the vehicle. I'd love to show you around and possibly even take one for a quick test drive. My phone number here is 321-254-8888. My extension directly is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, Don, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.